Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
We're coming to you live from Napier, where two proud schools with rich rugby traditions go head-to-head. Kei waenga I te kapa o Napier Boys High School, me te kapa New Plymouth Boys High School. Ana kua tīmata. Ko te haukainga tērā ka whakaaro ai.
Do you know where the water bottle is?
The ball was out, but no Napier Boys, they still have it. Oh! Bit of a break there. We should see... Oh, we might see our... This could possibly be the closest they've been to New Plymouth Boys High School try line. You can sniff it. That's how close it is. Can they get there? Oh, beautiful try here. Karo te mōhio kōwai. And he looks to the left wing. This is no doubt a play that they've practiced. Oh, and what a play it is. Wow, what a try. Where the opposition is, he tends to go to the right. And in the first 3 minutes of the second half, we see the third try from Napier Boys High School. No halfback. Fortunately, they were able to get the ball out. Oh, but it's stolen. It was stolen by Napier Boys. Can he go all the way? Yes, he can. Wow, what a try. There's the line. Nudging closer and closer to the line. Got players to the left here. But they've also got defence, but... Yes, it's a try. It's a try at Te Whānau. So we'll see a tap and go. And it's a try. New Plymouth Boys High School. Beautiful play there. Mana, kua mitu te kēmu, rua te kauma whetū ngā tatauranga ki te haukainga ki Napier Boys High School ki tā, te manuhere, te kaupero.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.